Hello everyone. Today, I am going to share how I received my CIMEA Statement of Comparability and Statement of Verification within just one day. I'll walk you through the exact process step by step. First, open Google Chrome and search for CIMEA Diplome. Click on the Register button if you don't already have an account and fill in your details. Since I've already covered this in my previous video, I'll go straight to the login section and enter my email and password. Once logged in, go to Purchase a Service. Here, select the country of your education system and choose the appropriate level of education. If you are a bachelor's degree candidate, choose Upper Education. If you are a master's degree candidate, choose Higher Education as well. Since I am a master's candidate, I selected Higher Education. Next, click on Purchase a Verification and Comparability. Choose the purpose of evaluation, select your degree, and then choose the Italian higher education institution of interest. After that, enter the name of your study program. Now, you'll see an option asking, "Are you applying for a visa?" Tick the checkbox and enter the name of the embassy. You can easily find this on Google. Click Save and Next. In the next section, you'll need to enter details about your diploma. Under Name of your diploma, enter the name exactly as it appears on your certificate. Indicate whether your diploma name is different from your registration details. Provide the name of the institution or board that awarded your degree. Answer whether your country of education and institution location are different. Specify if your institution and degree awarding institution are the same. Choose the mode of delivery of your studies, example, online, in person. Enter the name and language of your study program. Provide the number of credit hours. Select the type of studies, example, full-time, part-time. Enter your enrollment date, the date you started college. Enter your graduation date. Choose the type of certificate awarded and optionally provide the award date. This is not mandatory. Click Next. You'll now see the Education History section. Just ignore this and click Save and Next. Now comes a crucial step, uploading all required documents correctly. Upload your passport. Upload your consent form. I demonstrated how to fill this in my previous video. Upload your educational documents. First, upload your degree certificate. Then, upload your transcript. If your degree certificate is already in English, you can skip the translation section. In the Additional Documents section, upload your apostille or legalization for your degree certificate. Add another apostille legalization section and upload the one for your transcript. Click Save and Next. You will now reach the payment section. Here, you can choose whether to apply for the urgent service. However, since the regular process is already quite fast, a few days, you don't need the urgent service, which costs an extra €100. Click Save and Next. Proceed to the final payment section and complete your payment. That's it. You've successfully submitted your CIMEA application. Now, just wait for your certificate. You'll receive it via email soon. Hope this guide helps. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content.